Yvette. I'm a student at James Cook University in Townsville. I'm studying a Bachelor of Marine Science, majoring in marine science, zoology and ecology. I'm currently doing my placement with Shakira at Wildlife Surrounds, so that entails going out and doing some field work this week. We've been also working with some of her other colleagues looking at the restoration of some sites throughout Townsville District which have eroded due to the 2019 floods. So we're looking at invasive species, what has been introduced, what's staying, surviving in those areas, and we're looking a lot at cyan weeds as well as an invasive species, what the council needs to do to keep certain sites from eroding further, and certain sites are worse off than others. So it's been really valuable to learn more hands-on experience, especially Shakira's taught me how to use the drones, all the steps you have to go to use the drones, the courses you need to take in order to be licensed. She's taught me about her dingoes that she has on the property, which are absolutely beautiful. I've been able to do some animal handling experience with them thanks to that as well. I would say definitely look into finding someone who meets the same skill, like morals that you have within yourself and that they believe the same things that you do. Your placement is an opportunity to do a job that you want to do in the future, and finding someone that is already there is really handy because you can get that knowledge and experience and see what's taken them, that timeline to get to where they are now, so you can follow it and have a little bit more of an idea of what you got to do.